Welcome to Investigale. Are you ready to investigate with me? Because today we're investigating IPL, which also stands for Intense Pulsed Light. This device is used to reduce the hair growth on your armpits, on your arms, on your legs, on your back, on your chest, and even it's basically for whole body. A lot of people, not only women, are struggling with the hair growing in the places they don't want it. And I am one of them. So I've done some investigating. If you are interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below for more video updates. I would also appreciate it if you like, comment, and share this video to engage more within our community. And now, let's do some investigating. I have been investigating different IPL devices and I found this one from Amazon. It has 4.4 stars and over 8,000 reviews, which is more than my viewers. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to do so. Let's not allow IPL to be better than me. While unboxing, I wanted to go over some important don'ts you should know about. If any of these apply to you, it's probably best to hold off on using IPL for now. But if not, you are ready to go. Don't use IPL over tattoos, moles, or birthmarks. The light from the device can react with the pigment and can cause irritation or even burns. So if you got a tattoo or mole in the area you want to treat, you'll need to work around it first. Don't use IPL on areas with skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, or even active acne. If your skin is already irritated or inflamed, the IPL light could make things worse, so give your skin time to heal before using the device. Don't use IPL on sunburned or tanned skin. I know, sometimes you just can't resist a day in the sun. But the IPL light can be too much for sunburned or freshly tanned skin, so make sure you're back to your normal skin tone before starting treatment. Don't use IPL on thick facial hair, like mustache or beards. This device is better for finer body hair. Using it on dense facial hair can be irritating or just not that effective. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, don't use IPL. Unfortunately, there's not enough research to say it's safe during pregnancy, so it's better to wait until after. Got a cut or rash? Don't use IPL on broken or irritated skin. Let your skin heal first so you don't make things worse. Trust me, it's worth waiting a little longer for healthy skin before starting treatment. Let's get rid of the knife. Oh, I'm struggling. This is what inside the box. So we have the book, which is the user manual. We also have the charger. Let's see. Let's have a look. So basically, it's not the charger that you would use for your phone. And we have the IPL device. Pew, pew, pew. And we also have glasses and razor. Let's have a look. How do you open it? Right. Fine. These are the glasses. Okay. Let's try it later. And this is the razor. You would probably not use it because it's not, I think, the best quality, but you know, it's something. As it is always the case with any device, it comes with manual and you should always read it. And that's what I'm going to do now. This IPL has 5 strength levels. It's ready to take on whatever hair situation you've got going on. But wait, before we get started, you can't just leap into hair removal like it's a fairy tale ball. There's some prep involved. First, give your skin a good clean like you're getting ready for a fancy night out. We're talking no dirt, no oil, no mysterious weird spots. If your skin been through some battles like cuts, bruises, or rashes, maybe take a break from the IPL until you've healed. Also, not all skin types are created equal. Now, this little device is choosy. it doesn't get along with everyone. So let's check if you're invited to the IPL world. If you have dark brown, black, or very dark skin, sorry, this device is not for you. Toffee skin with hair that's white, cream, red, or light golden, nope, still a no-go. Same deal if you have pale brown, cream, or white skin with light or red hair tones, IPL and light hair just aren't friends. However, if you have white, cream, pale brown, or toffee skin with darker hair tones like brown, dark brown, or dark golden, congratulations! You're officially in the IPL club. The darker your hair, the better this device works. If your skin tone is toffee, sound tasty, right? Stick to energy levels 1, 2, 3. For everyone else with darker hair tones, you can crank it up to levels 4 or 5. Let's talk about safety. So here's what you need to know. Do not use these things in the bath or shower. It's not waterproof and nobody wants an electrifying spa experience. If it gets damaged, please, for the love of smooth skin, do not touch the insides. And if you're feeling creative, don't. Stick to the original adapter. Protect your eyes. This device is bright enough to light up a stadium, so wear those fancy protective glasses. Lastly, this is not a toy. Keep it far away from kids under 15. Trust me, you don't want your toddler running around with a laser gun pretending to be a superhero. Listen, as much as we all wish we could go full body with this device, there are places it just doesn't belong. Please, no oral cavity zapping, aka keep it out of your mouth. Stay far away from genitals and any mucous membranes. Trust me, nobody wants that kind of adventure. Plastic surgery zones, the jaw and eyes, off limits. The head and ears are not your targets either. Spots, moles, acne and veins, don't even think about it. Also, do yourself a favor and leave your nipples and belly button alone. They're just not ready for this. How often should you use it? No need to get too eager. You can't rush perfection. The IPL device works best when you use it consistently, but in moderation. For the first 4 weeks, use it 2 times a week to get that initial power going. From weeks 5 to 8, reduce the pace to once a week. After week 8, you'll only need to use it 1 to 2 times a month to maintain that smooth, silky finish. Slow and steady wins the smooth skin race. Trust the process, you'll be hair-free before you know it. To start using the IPL, we need to connect the charger in the socket and the cable into the device. To turn the IPL on, press the power button for about 2 seconds. Not too long, not too short. Make sure you're not blocking these vents on the back and on the side. We want that airflow to keep the cooling system doing its thing. Now let's talk about power levels. There are 5 different energy levels you can choose from. To change it, just press this button on the side. See those arrows? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crank it up for faster results or keep it low if you're feeling a bit cautious. We don't need to go all supernova on our skin right away. Now this cute little snowflake icon right here shows that the cooling system is working. And trust me, you'll want that cooling for the laser heat. It's like your personal skin chilling assistant. Ice, ice, baby. Here's where things get fancy. When you press the button in the middle, you'll see a circle icon pop up. That means it's in auto mode. So, when the circle's on, you just glide it over your skin like you're painting your masterpiece, and it will zap away. To change to manual mode, just press that middle button again. And poof, no more circle. In manual mode, you'll have to press the middle button each time you want to zap an area. So, if you like to take your time and really focus on certain spots, this mode's for you. Just press the middle button as you go along, and you're in full control. Here's a neat trick. When you put your finger, or your actual skin, next to the cooling system by the laser part, you'll see a green light pop up. That's the device giving you a thumbs up, like, yep, I see skin, let's go. No green light? Then either the device is taking a nap or you're not quite positioned right. Just adjust and you're good to go. Before you apply the device to your body, make sure that it's shaved and clean. Make sure it looks like Voldemort, not Harry Potter. In it. Now it's time for my armpit. Let's blast it. But before that, safety. This is the first time I'm using this device. So if you are a beginner just like me, make sure you are using the manual mode. I am going to start with energy level 1 because I don't know how it's going to feel like. If I'm feeling comfortable, I'm going to raise the energy level. Here we go. As you can see, the green light is on. I can't really feel anything with the energy level 1. So maybe I can raise it a bit to level 2. Let's see. It feels the same. I can't really feel anything, so I will raise it more to level 3. I kind of can feel it, but it's not really painful. So maybe I could take 4. We'll see. I hope I can take it. Woo! Oh, I think I should stay with level 3. I can feel it now. Oh my god. I know my energy level, and now I am going to use it on my left armpit using the automatic mode as the circle indicates. All I have to do is to put it on my left armpit and see if it works. I'm using energy level 4 because I feel like energy level 3 didn't really work on my right armpit. I couldn't really finish filming yesterday as my throat started hurting, but I'm back now to finish where we left off. By trying the IPL device on levels 1, 2, and 3, I found them pretty manageable. Level 4 is slightly hotter, but it's still bearable. I will try level 5 on my next video and share how it feels like. Anyways, if you're new to IPL just like me, I recommend using the lower settings before working your way up. I forgot to show in the video, but after using the IPL, I used aloe vera gel to moisturize my armpits. Some people like using aloe vera afterward because it has a soothing property. It's totally optional and it really depends on your preference. If you have a sensitive skin, aloe vera can help calm any redness. However, what is absolutely essential is keeping your skin moisturized. Whether or not you choose aloe vera, make sure to apply a good moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. According to the manual, the device should be used 2 times a week in the first 4 weeks, and I'll be following this routine to give the product a fair test. To keep you all in the loop, I'll be making another videos in a month to show you my result. I'll also keep making YouTube shorts twice a week or after every use so you can track my progress with me. If you are curious about the ongoing process or thinking about trying IPL yourself, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those updates. As of now, I'm feeling pretty positive about the device. It's easy to use, and while there's some heat involved, it's not uncomfortable for me at all. I'll make sure to keep you updated on how things go, and we'll see if this turns out to be the game changer we're all hoping for. Thank you for watching!